Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can share a table in Airtable. It is very simple. All you have to do is to open the base in which you want to share the table. Then you have to open the table. As you can see, I have opened this product table and I want to share this great view with other people. All I have to do is to press this share and sync button, and there I get the link. Now I can copy this link and I can give the link to anybody with which I want to share my board, and that person will be able to access this board. Now you can also select the settings, so you can allow the viewers to copy data out of this view. You can show all the fields if you like. You can restrict by password or email domain, or you can generate new link. So these are a couple of settings that you can use, but basically this is the link. You can copy this link and anyone with this link will be able to access this view. So this is how you share a table in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.